What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orkey's Garage. Today I'm doing a spark plug replacement or tune-up for 2007 Honda Civic EX. Here's the spark plug. This is iridium. This is pre-gap. You don't have to gap or something. I like this one because it lasts longer. It's about like more than 2 years. It depends how you drive. I like this one because it also saved the fuel economy, and it's a little bit cheaper. I get it from Rock Auto. So I'm going to put the link on the description below later once I'm done with the video. So this is easy. All you need is spark plug tool, anti-seize, 3/8 and torque wrench. Alright guys, so let's go. I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, so take off the nut. It's 10mm. So 10. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one too, just the flat screw. This one you don't need a lot of tools, just the very basic one. That's all you need. Okay. And then be careful this one because you get brittle now. Or if you get the pick, it's better. You got this pocket screw. Or you just have to be patient with it. There you go. That's it. And then you got your spark plug socket. I'm just gonna break all of this. It's more easy. This one is kind of hard. Maybe there's something going on with that. Oh yeah, this one's a little bit burned out. This one too. Oh yeah, this one too. Okay, you can see it. And these are the last one. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, just to prep them. You have to put a lot. Okay, first one, just like that. Just like that. Then you're gonna put the protector so you don't damage the electrodes. Then I'm ready. Let's go in the car again and install this bad boy. Alright guys, so the torque for this one is 18 foot-pounds. What I'm gonna do is hand thread first, so you don't mess up the threads, just in case. Hand threads. This one's gonna go smooth because I already put the anti-seize. Last one, and then torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Okay, that's it guys, 18 foot-pounds according from all data. And then just make sure then another one, put your spark ignition coil. Once it clicks, they are all good. Okay, and put your nut. Okay, that's it. And then we'll go inside, start a car. Alright guys, last step, just to install the cover. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's all good. Alright guys. Cool, just one click. Alright, let's go. An engine. The rest smooth. Sounds like smooth. Alright guys, that's it. So it's fairly quick, or it's fairly easy, just to change your spark plugs for Honda Civic 2007 and up. As long as you have the right tool, it's just gonna take you like 20 minutes the most, because it's just really easy. It's 4-cylinder. And also, here's my tip. I found out, I searched for the spark plugs. If you see the part number, I don't know, just gonna I hope you guys seen it. So I searched from AutoZone or O'Reilly. This one is like the basic one, the nickel, NGK nickel. That's why it's running like a little bit rough. I put the spark plug iridium. If your car comes with the iridium, it's better just to put the iridium. If you put like, if you downgrade from the basic like nickel, copper, platinum, your car in the worst case will gonna have a misfire, because sometimes the engine or the car design or program with the iridium or lithium, like the higher quality of spark plug, if you downgrade, the worst case you might have a misfire and it will gonna cause you more headache. Don't go cheaper with these spark plugs, or it's better just to go from the manufacturer, the dealers, because you know you don't want headache, or you don't want to put like cheaper parts just to save money, because sometimes you buy the cheaper one, it will cost you more. I rather give tips or buy like the right stuff, just to make sure you don't have a headache later on down the road. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for my followers out there, and what's up to all my fellow DIYers. Please smash the subscribe button just to grow my channel. Thank you guys again. I'll see you soon.